Why AI is TikTok's secret sauce, and how this poses a threat to its competitors. What is TikTok's secret sauce, and how does it pose a threat to its competitors? Everyone's heard of the TikTok internet phenomenon, and thus they've been living under a rock. It would be a major understatement to call the video sharing software popular, with roughly 689 million users worldwide. It ruled supreme as one of the most popular apps as of December 2020, with about 6 billion lifetime downloads. Consequently, what caused TikTok to change from a lip-syncing, outlaw dance app to the heart of all viral trends? And what is the magic element that makes it so compelling and impossible to put down? The answer lies in the highly sophisticated TikTok AI algorithm and its AI-powered recommendation engine. In this video, we will take a closer look at the AI system that has propelled TikTok to new heights, and how this poses a threat to its competitors. Without further ado, let's start. Before we go straight into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more amazing content. Let's get into it. What made TikTok's For You page, FYP, so unique? Users of TikTok are familiar with its very addictive, hyper-personalized algorithm. In contrast to other social networking platforms, TikTok's algorithm-based homepage, the For You feed, provides users with material based on particular user input and interaction rather than the conventional likes, comments, and following. This might not necessarily be because TikTok's quality of content is better than that of its peers. TikTok may just be better at presenting the right content to the right user. While there are plenty of funny dog or cute kitten videos on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well, TikTok's AI-driven algorithmic personalization has raised the bar significantly. TikTok assisted content producers in connecting with audiences based on shared interests to create a mutually beneficial ecosystem. The better TikTok does at engaging users with its video recommendations, the more time they'll spend on TikTok, eschewing other apps such as Instagram and YouTube. To accomplish this, it used a two-pronged approach: build a customized For You page to keep app users interested, and increase influencer reach to pay them for producing worthwhile content. How does TikTok's AI differ from that of its competitors? In contrast to Facebook and YouTube, TikTok never blatantly requests the user's objective. TikTok displays viewers' videos right away in the For You stream, rather than requesting that they click on suggested videos. The number of followers, authority, and prior popularity of producers don't significantly influence how often a video is promoted on TikTok. By boosting their films when users go inactive, TikTok encourages producers to stay active. Categorizing content. How does TikTok categorize content? TikTok uses a machine learning (ML) algorithm at almost every stage of its content strategy to provide rapid and useful data. The video is examined using three criteria: computer vision, natural language processing (NLP), and metadata as the first stage in TikTok's recommendation technique. Neural networks are used in computer vision, a type of deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning, to extract images from still or moving pictures. The computer vision program can distinguish new images based on particular attributes and characteristics, thanks to a library of millions of annotated photos. It makes it possible for the algorithm to view and comprehend the content of the videos that are being produced. TikTok employs computer vision to swiftly comprehend the content of the video by examining facial features, items, and other characteristics in people and objects. To improve categorization, each distinct feature of the video is categorized. The audio of a video is then translated and described using natural language processing, NLP. Before applying any level of analysis, NLP first takes the audio data from a video and extracts it. Models for classification or clustering may have produced this. Supervised machine learning, supervised ML, is used for classification, and it employs pre-labeled data to train and classify the content of fresh data. Clustering is a type of unsupervised machine learning, ML, that identifies patterns in the data and assembles comparable findings. It's possible to assess who the material will be most helpful for after the data has been collected and organized. The metadata, like the caption, hashtags, etc., that a user includes with a TikTok video, is the last stage in categorizing it. The user alone is generally responsible for extracting this content. Recommendation system. On the For You feed, TikTok's most prominent feature, the recommendation algorithm, is highlighted. How does the AI recommend content to its users? When it comes to finding material and creators you adore, TikTok describes its For You feed as a stream of videos curated to your interests, driven by a recommendation algorithm that offers content to each user that's likely to be of interest to that particular user. While there's crossover on notable popular videos, each For You feed is distinct and tailored to particular users. TikTok leverages a variety of data sources, including video classification and categorization, to forecast effective user interactions. The majority of the data that TikTok collects comes from user-generated interactions on the app. The corporation has the chance to examine the view time and revisit rate of certain videos thanks to TikTok's short-form video content. The New York Times reports that TikTok has opted to optimize for two closely linked criteria in the stream of videos it serves: retention, or whether a user returns, and time spent. For as long as possible, the app aims to keep you there. When viewers open TikTok, they'll get a selection of videos on various subjects. A new stream of videos will be curated based on how long the viewer engages with each video, rewatches, likes, shares, or ignores. TikTok's algorithm can then utilize content-based filtering to further show the user relevant videos based on the initial engagement. New videos are compared to videos that a user's already watched using content-based filtering. The algorithm will then use the content a user's previously interacted with to suggest new stuff to them. Once sufficient information on a user has been produced, the For You feed is subjected to collaborative filtering that adds even another layer of recommendation. TikTok, which is also used in services like Netflix and Spotify, feeds users movies based on the actions of other users who exhibit similar behavior. A general explanation of how this system operates is as follows. If user A interacts with videos 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and user B interacts with videos 2, 3, 4, 5, and video 6, TikTok's algorithm will likely recognize the similarities between the two users and serve user B video 1 and user A video 6. Content that's based on content-based and collaborative filtering algorithms is continuously delivered to users. TikTok video suggestions don't, however, live in a vacuum. To provide their readers with fresh material, the algorithm considers emerging trends and current affairs. Users frequently receive random content that does not correspond to their viewing history or that of their peers who are most closely associated with them. This is done in the hopes that the user will interact with the information and the cycle can continue. In conclusion, TikTok's explosive growth in popularity may be due to its amazing algorithm, its entertainment-based format, and its removal of user experience friction. The AI is not concerned with giving users useful information. Instead, it encourages viewers of content regardless of whether they like it. TikTok does not need users to expressly state their preference or intent. Instead, the AI begins making predictions without even knowing much about the user, which makes the user experience seamless. Unquestionably, TikTok represents a substantial advancement in AI and machine learning technology, and also serves as a warning to its rivals. This is the AI system that has propelled TikTok to new heights, and how this poses a threat to its competitors. If you love this video, please make sure to like and drop a comment to let us know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon.